Welcome to Star Biker, where we bring you the latest motorcycle launches and trusted two-wheeler updates. Today's big news is the 2026 Honda Shine 100DX, which has finally launched, strengthening Honda's presence in the entry-level commuter segment with smart upgrades and everyday practicality. Fresh design and practical styling. The 2026 Honda Shine 100DX carries a clean and mature design aimed at daily riders. The updated body panels, refined graphics, and balanced proportions give it a premium commuter feel. Honda has focused on durability and comfort, making the Shine 100DX suitable for city traffic as well as longer daily rides. Engine and performance. Powering the Shine 100DX is a reliable 100 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smooth performance and fuel efficiency. The engine delivers consistent power for urban commuting while maintaining low vibrations. With improved refinement, the 2026 model promises a comfortable riding experience even during long hours on the road. Mileage and riding comfort. Fuel efficiency remains a key highlight of the Honda Shine 100DX. The lightweight frame, efficient engine tuning, and smooth gearbox help deliver excellent mileage. A comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and well-tuned suspension ensure stress-free daily travel. Features and safety updates. The 2026 Shine 100DX comes with essential modern features, including an updated instrument cluster, reliable braking system, and improved electricals. Honda's focus on safety and long-term reliability makes this bike ideal for new riders and commuters alike. Price expectation and final thoughts. With competitive pricing expected, the 2026 Honda Shine 100DX is set to attract budget-conscious buyers. Stay connected with Star Biker for more motorcycle launch updates, reviews, and comparisons.